Question number 12. In tossing 3 coins, the probability of getting at least 2 heads, the probability of getting at least 2 heads is 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. 4 options are given. Solution. Tossing 3 coins. Sample space. What is sample space? Set of all possible outcomes of tossing 3 coins at a time. Sample space. S is equal to tossing 3 coins. H, H, H. In all the 3 coins, head, head, head. Next, I am removing 1 head. The last head I am removing. H, H, T. 1 head I am removing. H, H, T. Then T I am interchanging. Here I am putting, the H I am putting here. H, T, H. Now I am interchanging T here. H here. T, H, H. Now I am removing 2 heads. 2 heads. That is H, T, T. I am interchanging H. H here, then next H here. T, H, T. Then H here. T, T, H. Next, I am removing all the head. All the head. Then T, T, T. This one is how to write the sample space. How to write the sample space. What is sample space? Set of all possible outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N of S. Number of elements in the sample space is 8. 8 elements are there. Right. What is the question? In tossing 3 coins, the probability of getting at least 2 heads. At least. That means you can write 3 head also. That is set A equal to 3H and 2H also. HTH, THH. What is the set A? Set A denotes at least 2 heads. At least At least 2 heads is denoted by the event A. The event A is at least 2 heads. Then you should write 3 heads also. Then what is N of A? N of A is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are there. Now question is, why the probability of getting at least 2 heads? Then P of A. The formula is P of A. What is the formula for P of A? P of A is, what is the meaning of P of A? Probability of getting at least 2 heads. Probability of getting at least 2 heads is denoted by P of A, which is equal to N of A by N of S. N of A by N of S. What is N of A? N of A is 4. N of S is 8. 1 times 2 times, which is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 answer is where? Option A, 1 by 2. Problem completed. Question number 12 completed. Now question number 13. The probability of 53 Sundays in a non-leap year is option A 1 by 7, option B 2 by 7, option C 6 by 7, option D 5 by 7. This is the question. The probability of 53 Sundays in a non-leap year is 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 6 by 7, 5 by 7. 4 options. Right. First of all, the year. You should know about year. Year is, there are two types of year. One is the year leap year. Another is non-leap year. Or another way, it is called ordinary year. Year is divided into two parts, leap year or ordinary year or non-leap year. Leap year containing 366 days. Non-leap year containing 365 days. 365 days. Now, our question is non-leap year. Our question is non-leap year. We are going to focus non-leap year. Non-leap year. Non-leap year containing 365 days. I am going to find out how many weeks are there. This is 365 days. Dividing by 7 table. 7 5s are 35. 1. Next I am taking 5. 7 2s are 14. Remainder 1. I taken 365 days divided by 7. I am getting remainder 1 day. Remainder 1 day. And weeks, how many weeks? 52 weeks are there. 52 weeks. That is 52 weeks. Each and every week containing all the 7 days. Therefore, 52 weeks containing 52 Sundays. 52 weeks containing 52 Sundays. Now remaining our focus to 52 weeks containing 52 weeks contains 52 Sundays. Now 1 day is remaining. 1 day is remaining. 1 day is remaining. Now I am going to write sample space for 1 day. Sample space for 1 day. Our focus is going to 1 day. We are going to do the problem for 1 day. That is 1 day. That is sample space. That is sample space, yes. That 1 day. Possibility Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday or Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N of S is equal to 7. 53 Sundays, 52 weeks. All the weeks 52 Sundays are there. Now only 1 day is remaining. That 1 day is possibility Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But we want Sunday. Therefore, the Sunday is Sunday. The event is A. Sunday. Therefore, N of A is equal to 1. N of A equal to 1. Therefore, probability of getting Sunday. Next, probability of getting Sunday, that is P of A. P of A equal to N of A by N of S, that is 1 by 7. N of A is 1, N of S is 7, that is P of A equal to 1 by 7. Where is 1 by 7? Option A, 1 by 7. This problem completed.